Fletcher Hercules. The Fletcher Hercules is an American two-seat, ultralight trike that was designed by A.W. Harrison and produced by Fletcher's Ultralights of Turlock, California, in the late 1990s and early 2000s. The aircraft was supplied as a kit for amateur construction and was also available as a completed aircraft. Design and development. The Hercules was designed as a lightweight single-seat aircraft, with a second seat available to carry an instructor or passenger when required. Because it was intended to be flown solo most of the time, it came factory supplied with a relatively low-powered engine to reduce both the aircraft's cost and weight. Higher-powered engines were available if the aircraft was to be used in the training role on a regular basis. In writing about the Hercules, reviewer André Cliché explained the engine choice because most people usually fly alone in their two-seater. It makes for a well-balanced single-seater with peppy performance, low fuel burn, and longer range. However, when comes the time to carry an occasional passenger, its two-seater capacity far outweighs its anemic performance. The aircraft has a standard empty weight of 254 lb 115 kg. It features a cable-braced hang glider-style high wing, weight shift controls, a two-seats in tandem open cockpit, tricycle landing gear, and a single engine and pusher configuration. The aircraft is made from bolted-together aluminum tubing, with its single-surface wing covered in Dacron sailcloth. Its 34 ft 10.4 m span wing is supported by a single tube-type king post and uses a frame control bar. The standard wing supplied was the Mustang double-surface wing of 190 SQ-FT 18M2. A smaller wing of 145 SQ-FT 13.5 M2 was available to increase cruising speed at the cost of a higher stall speed. The aircraft has an acceptable installed power range of 35 to 80 HP 26 to 60 kW. The standard engine supplied was the twin-cylinder 2-stroke 35 HP 26 kW 2Z460 F35 with the 50 HP 37 kW Rotax 503 or the 64 HP 48 kW Rotax 582 engines available as options. Other engines used include the 35 HP 26 kW Cayenne, ULI-2, 40 HP 30 kW Rotax 447, 74 HP 55 kW Rotax 618, and the 4-stroke 60 HP 45 kW HKS 700E. Due to its off-airport capability, it is noted for its ease of setup and repair. 25 had been completed and flown by February 2000. Variants: Hercules Cruiser version marketed circa 1998 with 35 HP 26 kW Cayenne ULI-2 engine. Hercules Cross Country version marketed circa 1998 with 50 HP 37 kW Rotax 503 engine. Specifications version. Data from Cliché and Kitplane's general characteristics. Crew 1, Crew 1, Crew 1, 1, 1, Crew 1. Capacity 1 passengers, 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 passenger. Pity 1 passengers, passenger, passengers, and passengers, passengers, passenger, 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 passengers, 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 passenger, passenger, passengers, passengers, passenger. Length 9 ft 2.7 mm 7 mm 7 mm 7 mm. Wingspan 34 ft 10 mm 10 mm. Height 10 ft 3.0 mm 0 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 mm. Wing area 190 SQ-FT 18M2. Empty weight 254 lb 150 kg. Gross weight 600 lb 272 kg. Fuel capacity 5 US gallons 19 L, 4.2 imp gal. Power plant, 1x2C 460 F35 twin-cylinder 2-stroke 35 HP 26 kW performance. Cruise speed 40 mph 64 km/h 35 kn. Stall speed 28 mph 45 km/h 24 kn or kn 4 kn. Range 85 mi 137 km 74 nmi. Service ceiling 12,000 ft 3,000 700 m 100 mm. Rate of climb 400 ft/min 2.0 m/ss/ss/ss/s == references ==